Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we'll show you how to use Seesaw application, especially for the teachers. For the first time, open your internet browser and then go to Seesaw website. Then choose whether you are a teacher, students, or family. As you are a teacher, choose I am a teacher. Create an account using Google Mail or any other email. Fill out the information with your name. After create an account, pick your class name and then choose the grade according to your own class.
As we can see, Seesaw provide a pre-K until the 12th grade.
Okay, after that, the display would be like this. In your class display, there's journal, activity, inbox, skills, and blog. To invite your students, please click this button and choose whether you are a student using email or not. If you choose yes, the Seesaw will give you information of your class code. And Seesaw also available for Android and iOS devices.
The Seesaw have a security that will reset your class code for every 7 days. So not everyone can join your class without your permission.
And here how students join your class. Told your students to choose students and sign up with their email and put the code class. Make sure the code is correct. The students display could be like this. Back to the teacher display. In here you can post the students journal, activity for the assessment, and announcement for the class. And then to post activity, choose browse activity library. Seesaw will provide you a lot of activities, or you can also create your own activity. The Seesaw support for any subjects. For example, we choose English language learner subject as you are an English language teacher. After you choose one of the activity, then you share it to the class. The activity would be in activity page, and your students will get notification. And Seesaw also have a feature to invite your students' parents. The parents can monitoring their kids in the Seesaw application. You can also invite by print the paper and ask your students to give it to their parents, or you can invite by using parents' emails. For more information, go to the website on the description below. And that's it from us. Thank you for watching this video.